Welcome to a new video in my home automation series, and I'm not really sure if you can tell from this one, but my NSPanel Pro is in an enclosure. So this is something that Sonoff sells as well for the NSPanel Pro, and well, in fact you can use it for the NSPanel as well, but I think it's more designed for the NSPanel Pro. And it's just an enclosure. So this is going to be just a really quick video just to show it, because probably you've noticed for some of my other videos that I use this NSPanel Pro here on my desk, so I can just easily grab it if I need to test something, and it just made sense that I would put it into something. I have less exposure to the mains cable which is inside. I mean, it was already protected, but I think it's much safer that if you have it in this enclosure. And yeah, so it is a plastic enclosure. It comes in two different colors. So it comes in this gray color, which matches the gray NSPanel Pro, and it also comes in white, which then again matches the white NSPanel Pro. And as you can see from the front, it has this sort of elongated shape, which probably makes it better suited for the more portrait US version of, let's say, the NSPanel. And yeah, other than that, it's just a single piece, and it has a couple of rubber feet, so it stands firmly on the desk, and it has this slanted design. So obviously the NSPanel Pro is facing you, and I said that it is mainly designed for the NSPanel Pro because if you would use it in the NSPanel, well, you can use it, but then you would need to have the extra wires for the two switched output, and for the NSPanel Pro you just need mains power. And actually the power comes through a slot here, so you can just feed your wire through, and yeah, just assemble it before you put it into the case, and that's pretty much it. And by the way, if I remove, let me just switch off my NSPanel Pro, but if I remove the front cover, so if I pop the front cover off, then you can see that this is how this is mounted. So it comes with two screws in a box, and then there are some screw holes there in the enclosure, and of course there is a cutout, so the internals go into that cutout. So that's it. You pop the cover off, you screw it in, you feed your cable through, you connect it to the live and neutral at the back of the NSPanel Pro. Obviously you do it here, and then you slide the whole thing back, you put the two screws in, and then finally you put the cover on. So it literally takes like 5 minutes to install the NSPanel Pro in this enclosure. So I think this is great, it looks good, and this is really a good way to desk mount your NSPanel Pro. If you are interested in this product, I'm going to leave purchasing links in the video description, but that will be all for today. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next video.